Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Adam at the Sound Performance Open House and Dyno Day, and we are checking out all these cars here. Adam's got his car here, and we're seeing some amazing Supras and cars here today. And
TE37s, you heard of those wheels before?
Yeah. Hearing plenty of things ripping on the dyno. It's pretty cool. So we're having a great time, and stay tuned for some more footage.
Thanks for reminding me. Yeah,
this is Adam's color.
That's not the color my car is.
What is that color called again?
Deep jewel green.
Deep jewel green.
Well, there's also another one called like something like jade, mica, or I think this is it though.
It reminds me of the Integra color, like of my old Integra. Adam? Forgive my ignorance here.
Yeah.
How do you know the difference between a 1J and a 2J?
With all these modified ones, it's kind of difficult. The way that I know is by the valve covers. More rounded valve covers up top with this spark plug cover, whereas the 1J ones are like completely flat on top. One thing is, you know, if it's a real GTE, like 2JZ GTE instead of a non-turbo motor originally,
yeah,
is the water neck, the top radiator hose will go to the left side. If it's like converted car, like a non-turbo motor like mine, the water neck comes out this side of the head.
Okay, wow.
So it's kind of like a giveaway for
Yeah.
that. Not that I feel like it even matters at this point, but...
Right, because they're like, what's the difference? Like compression and...
Well, yes, the NA ones are higher compression.
That's an NA converted?
This is, yes.
Yeah, okay. Now I know the secret.
It's
Cool, I found you.
Hey! Oh, sorry.
This one I'm sure is that color.
Adam wants to respray his car this color, so you have to fund him for that.
I understand it.
It's for the YouTube channel. It's all for the good of the channel.
It's all gonna come back to us.
Yeah, it's all eventually.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's an investment.
I can't wait to do mine all up like a GT though, so people think it is. And it'll still be fast.
But I'll know now because I know the secret.
You do. The secret nobody
The
wants
secret
to know.
radiator
There's your
hose.
video title. This has got glass headlights. It's the Euro.
What?
Those are Euro glass headlights.
That's crazy. I didn't even know they made.
They're a lot of money.
Oh. Are they are the actual like halogens or the actual like the housing's different?
Exterior.
Oh.
No, they're kind of a different layout, I think. But the inside's chromed, whereas like mine's black.
Does it have this bubble?
Yeah, mine doesn't have that.
Okay.
It has a delete for that.
Is that like another light?
I'll show you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a running light.
Oh, mama.
More like gear stock, so that,
Yeah, this is.
and I don't know, this doesn't, so I don't feel like, you'd have to pull that up in order to see if they fit coils under there or something, but I don't know anything about your car, so don't.
Yeah, I mean, you and me both, brother. I'm learning. But these are clutch. Apparently,
get one of
the factory radiators are just trash. Like you take them out and they're like this big. They're like maybe like a half inch or something. They're super skinny.
They probably have like plastic end tanks and all kinds of junk.
Yeah, I think one of the major things for SRs is like overheating problems.